Well, hello, Ruben here from RespShop.com, an online store for all your CPAP needs, based in Redmond, Washington. Today, I have another CPAP 101 video for you. Now, the videos in this series are all about CPAP basics, from beginner tips to common CPAP equipment, terms, and ideas. And today is all about heat and moisture exchange filters, or HME filters for short. Now, these little units can be used as an alternative to the standard humidifiers that come with most at-home CPAP machines and serve the same purpose. Their basic job is to keep the air you breathe warm and moist, so as to make sure that the air pressure doesn't dry out your airways while you sleep, with all the unpleasant side effects that can have. And if you're not sure what those effects are, we've done a video on that goes over all of those side effects already. You can click the card above me or the link in the description below to learn more about the dangers of dry mouth. Now, because HMEs are small and light and don't require either water or power to work, they are typically the preferred warmth and moisture systems for travel devices, where these benefits are particularly important. But wait, I hear you say across the internet, how can something provide heat and moisture without using power or water? Well, this is where these little things get really clever. For the warmth and moisture they provide comes from your own breath. To work, the HME filter must be either connected directly to your mask or the mask elbow, and then attached to the regular hose that leads to the CPAP machine. Make sure you don't do this the other way around and connect the HME filter close to the machine. You want the HME filters to be as close to your mouth as possible, which will increase their effectiveness. Inside the plastic casing is an air filter made of either foam or corrugated paper, and this material is often treated with calcium chloride, which is the kind of salt that traps moisture. So when you exhale through the filter, it traps the heat and moisture from your breath. And then when you inhale, the filter reintroduces the trapped warmth and moisture into the new air to keep it warm and moist, and thus helping you avoid that horrible dry mouth. Clever stuff, huh? Now, as with many pieces of CPAP equipment, different brands often have their own names for the HME filters that are more compatible with their masks or tubing. But whether you are thinking about ResMed's HumidX system or Transcend's AirMist kits, the way it's going to work will be pretty much the same. Almost. So here's a quick rundown of the specific brand versions. ResMed's HumidX filters ship with the product and are only compatible with their own tubing and mask options. The filters themselves are of the corrugated paper variety and come in standard and plus options. The standard version of the HumidX should be used for most purposes and environments, while the plus version is designed for use in very dry or high altitude environments, as they trap and release more warmth and moisture than usual. So pick whichever variety is most suitable for that next vacation you've been planning. Either way, ResMed recommends you discard and replace the filters after at most 30 days from opening their sealed packaging. But we have found that they actually start to smell a bit before that, so this should be taken as the maximum lifespan. Transcend's AirMist kit comes in two parts, the plastic casing and the filter. Now, the kits must be purchased separately. The AirMist filters are made of foam and will last for between 3 and 7 days of use, but the separate plastic casing can be cleaned and can last much longer, up to 3 months. Because of this, it is possible to get replacement filters only without buying a new AirMist kit each time. Aside from these branded variants, the generic HME filters of the foam variety will attach to any normal mask and tubing. Just remember, the effectiveness of any of these kits is only significant if the connection point to the mask is close to your mouth. If it connects either above the head or at the end of your CPAP hose, the moisture it provides will be negligible. But with the right mask, the generic filters are perfect for travel devices like Breeze's Z1 or Z2, but their broad compatibility makes them a suitable alternative for a humidifier for other machines as well. These unbranded HME filters come as complete units and will last for up to 7 nights of use. Well, that's all from me until the next CPAP 101 video. If this was helpful, remember to hit like and subscribe to be alerted about the next one. Till then, friends, sleep tight.